Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an amazing hair growth oil. If you love this video, please comment down below, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. The first ingredient we are going to be using is lemongrass. Lemongrass is known to strengthen hair follicles, which helps to fight hair loss, and it has a rich source of iron. The second ingredient we are going to be using is hibiscus. Hibiscus naturally seals moisture to the shaft of the hair. It also prevents frizziness and split ends and hair fall. Rosemary improves blood circulation that increases hair follicles and reduces hair loss. It also promotes hair growth. It also reduces hair fall and it keeps your scalp healthy. It also fights dandruff and prevents premature gray hair. The next ingredient we are going to be using is plantain leaf. Plantain leaves stimulate the scalp for hair growth while targeting the scalp for itchiness, dryness, and even antibacterial. We are going to be making use of a pan. I poured all my ingredients into the pan. The next ingredient we'll be using is olive oil. Olive oil nourishes and conditions your hair. It also serves as a great moisturizer and prevents dryness. It soothes the scalp. It prevents damages to your hair. It also reduces hair breakage. Here I did not measure the olive oil I used. I just poured in the quantity I feel is needed. I placed it on my stove at a low heat. The reason why I placed it on my fire at a low heat is because I don't want to lose out any nutrients from it. It stayed on the fire for 15 minutes before I took it down. I allowed it to cool down before straining to get my hair growth oil. So I'm going to be adding my grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil stimulates hair cell production, which slows down hair loss. It is also packed with omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acid, which have plenty of benefit to your hair and scalp. Now let me show you how to apply this hair growth oil. My hair was all dried because I just washed it. So what I did was to apply my clove water first in order to make it soft. I sprayed in my clove water and I massaged. Then I made use of my hair growth oil that I just made. I applied it on my hair. I also applied it on my scalp as you can see me doing. Then I sealed it up with my moisturizer, my leave-in moisturizing cream. If you use this method, your hair will not break because it will make your hair soft in order to reduce breakage. Like I pointed out earlier, the hair growth oil, with all the benefits of the ingredients that I made use of, for those experiencing any form of hair loss, split ends, hair thinning, dryness, brittle hair, dandruff, this hair growth oil is for you. It will strengthen your hair. It will also help promote hair growth. It will also protect your scalp and hair from UV rays. After applying my moisturizer, I massaged it and I made my hair into cornrows. I repeat the same process at the other side. I sprayed in my clove water in order to make my hair soft. Then I massaged. Then I applied my hair growth oil. I applied it on my hair down to the tip. I also applied it on the scalp of my hair. Then I massaged. And I sealed it up with my moisturizer, my leave-in moisturizer cream. I massaged it on my hair and scalp. And I combed from the tip of my hair down to the root of my hair. If you do this process, your hair will not break. You won't experience hair shedding. And I made it into cornrow. So if you enjoyed this video, you know you really enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps my video. Subscribe to my channel and comment below. If you have any question, you can also leave it in the comment section. I will respond to it. Thank you. Watch out for my next video. Thank you.